Hello, good morning. I recorded this video like ages before we went to Ghana, so I just want to show you guys what my morning routine like, what I do in the morning, like a bit of walking, exercise and all that. So guys, stay tuned, let me show you this part of my morning routine. Sometimes I go to the pound shop, get a bit of stuff for me, like sometimes body lotions, toilet rolls, but sometimes they don't open. Sometimes I have to wait like for the shop to open. So guys, this is UK. The time right now is about 7:30 in the morning. It's quite chilly, but not bad. So what I'll do is I'll try to take you guys to show you guys how some of the affordable shops, like a pound shop, a Poundland, majority of the stuff are £1 in the UK. I mean in this store. So guys, let's get in there. So I'm also looking for something to clean the kitchen with. So I think this is multi-purpose. So I'll just use this one. It's £1, £1.10. This one also here is £1.75. I don't know the difference between these. I don't know what I should get. This one, it's new, improved. I don't know. It look good. This one is £2.50. I'm quite confused. I don't know which one to get. It's the same one. I think I'll just get this one, and it's £1.10. All right, so I think I finished my shopping now. I'm going back out, walk home. That's it. My day is this is how it begins, So I always get baby oil for my skin because it's good for my skin. And I think it's £1. So what I'll do is I'll get 2 because I don't normally come to this shop. So that's how much baby stuff. I also get this for the toilet. I normally go for the red one, but they don't have the red one. Oh yeah, there's the red one. So I'll get one of this. This one is gone up. So guys, the items cost me £5 and 10p. The 10p is for the plastic bag. It's for the plastic bags. Like I said, most of the stuff I bought today are £1 because got 5 items and it costs £5. So yeah, so this is the Poundland behind me there, and I'm just walking to get home. For those of you watching from Ghana, I want to show you guys how much the petrol is in this country. 1 litre of petrol is, almost 152, and diesel is 17.19. And this is the location, this is where we live. A bit of history for you guys. I came back here to see my family. So we'll be traveling to Lichfield this weekend because that's what we do most of the time. Most of the reason why I came back to see the family. So guys, I will take you guys to this part of Lichfield maybe later this year, but this video is just a morning routine. It's getting busy now, everybody is going to work. It's Friday, so yeah, I just want to walk down the hills and do a bit of exercise while I'm vlogging as well. So I don't know if you do walk, but I believe walking in the morning, 5 minutes to 10 minutes, help your body a bit. I'm not into exercise, but I try to walk, stretch my legs a bit, because I sit down a lot, and most of my work involves sitting, troubleshooting issues. Yeah, so this that cathedral you can see behind me is converted to apartment. So inside it's gorgeous, like amazing apartment in there. There's a bus stop in front of me here. So this is a bus stop. You can get a bus here to Bristol. You can get a bus here to Cleveland. Amazing place, right? And also this is what I bought. This is how the shop look like. And I got this toilet cleaner. I got 2 baby oils. And I got a bleach for the kitchen. And also what? Yeah, another baby oil. And everything cost me, let me see if I have the receipt. Everything cost £5.10. Can you see that? So guys, this is how my money routine. The battery is low, so let me take you guys home, then I can show you guys what I do in the morning in the house as well. My dream is to hit 4,000 or 5,000 before end of March, but I don't know if this goal is possible. But with you guys, I trust you guys. I know you can share the video, get the video to multiple audience, and hopefully we can get to 5,000 before the end of March. And who knows, that would be an amazing celebration, right? And another thing is the house price here, like double figures. Like house price, I mean 2-bedroom here could be like 265,000 to 450,000. So it's quite low because the view behind here is the 7, I don't know, the estuary. I don't know how to call it. Maybe I need to put it on the video. I always forget the 7 thing. I mean, it leads to Wales. So it's the estuary. I mean, the 7 bridge is just down there. The Prince of Wales bridge is just down there. So guys, this place is quite a nice place, very cool. People are very, very lovely here. And I like walking in the morning because it kind of fuels me for the rest of the day. YouTube sent me this jacket, by the way, if you want to know where I got this jacket from. YouTube sent me this jacket. So guys, let's continue. Let me take you home. So as you can see, I'm walking very slowly. The battery is finished, so I'm using the phone. Yeah, so guys, this is the area I'm panting because I'm on a hill. So guys, let me take you home. So guys, you can see I'm back home now. Once I get home, and I edit videos. Yeah, so my computer is here. I'll try to display over the video because there's some sensitive items on here I don't want you to see. So guys, this is the house. This is my desk case while I work. Yeah, so guys, yeah, there's nothing really. I'll try to do a house tour probably in the middle of the year, you know. I've been filming some of the stuff because the house have to be tidy. So this is the house. Then have lunch. I mean breakfast, then that's it. Start my work. Yeah, so guys, that's my morning. If you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, and let me know what you think of the UK morning routine. If I should do more videos like this. See you in the next one.